Stop manually entering contact details today. We're unleashing the power of automation to seamlessly move your Vapi AI collected leads into other applications with Make. First, let's connect your Vapi AI account. Navigate to your Vapi AI dashboard and locate the Integrations tab. This is where the magic begins. Find and click on the appropriate Make or similar automation platform integration option. Now, hop over to Make and log into your account. Your journey towards smooth automation begins here. Click on Create a Scenario to kick things off. On the scenario canvas, you'll be starting your workflow. Click the big plus sign. This is where we begin building our automation. Search for and select the Vapi AI module. This will be your trigger, meaning our automation will be started when contact details are captured by your AI-led capture flow. Connect your Vapi AI account within the module. Enter the necessary details, such as your API key, and authorize Make to access your Vapi AI account. Next, choose a trigger. This is what tells Make when to start working. For example, you can choose a trigger to activate every time a new contact is captured by the Vapi AI Voice Assistant. Now, it's time to specify what you want to do with the information. This means setting up your destination app. It can be anything like Google Sheets, your CRM, or email marketing platforms. Connect your desired app into Make. Configure this module with the necessary information. You might, for example, map fields. Match the contact's name, email address, and phone number from Vapi AI directly to the corresponding fields in your destination app. This ensures the data is transferred accurately. Once you're all set, save your scenario. Click the Save button to make sure everything is kept in place. To test, you can manually trigger your flow by clicking Run. Once your workflow should pull sample data from the Vapi AI module. Then, you may manually trigger the Vapi AI Voice Assistant contact information to get the data. Finally, test that the integration works by generating the contact information in Vapi AI to get the data and confirm that the data has been successfully transferred to your destination app. Success. Now, your Vapi AI leads automatically populate wherever you need them. By integrating Vapi AI with Make, you're no longer stuck with manual data entry. Embrace the automation. Like and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your tech stack.